Forex traders. My name is Darrell. I'm a graduate of Universal's Trading Group Forex Mastery Class online version. The class was instrumental in helping me understand price action, trend action, market flow, and getting a much better handle on risk management. Overall, the class provided excellent details in pointing out where to enter, where to exit, and building a lot more confidence so that I can make these trades on my own. So far, I've been much more successful after taking this class. In addition to the class, there are plenty of videos that you can go back and read and review and help form your own ideas. So if you're looking for a class that will help you make a better start in your Forex trading, call Universal Trading Group. They'll help you out. Enjoy.